Okay, what we've done here today is we've started our soundproofing procedure on the sealant side, and we're using a resilient sound isolation clip every 4 feet by 2 feet, and that's these clips here. And you can see that this gets screwed right up to the bottom of the, you can go directly on the bottom of the joist. What we've decided to do was to go ahead and strap it like we normally would, and then run them right to the bottom of the strapping. And the reason for that is because the more space you get in between the floor above and the bottom of the ceiling, the better. So that's how we're going to handle the footfall noise that generally vibrates through a structure. Now, what we've done for airborne sound is we've installed a 6-inch rock sole, or a mineral wool they call it, and this is like a fire barrier. That's standard fire blocking that they'd want you to put in between floors along firewalls. But we're going to use this here for an acoustical sound barrier. That's one phase of many. And then the next is the resilient channel with the sound clips. And then we're going to put 2 layers of 5/8 blue board. We're going to do 5/8 blue board, then we're going to apply a green glue, and then we're going to put the second layer of 5/8. And that right there is going to really do the trick. Now, when we built our walls for this room, we put a mass loaded vinyl between the bottom of the floor above and the top of the walls. So that's going to help deaden a lot of the transfer of footfall.